All right, how's it going, YouTube? So back out. This is the new build. I went with a new body, and this is my son's car. He went with a new body. I also did his diff over. I did a few things. I gave him a new transmission. His was cracked, so I had to work on that. And my car, yesterday I came out to tune. I had about 40 minutes worth of footage and it all went down the drain. I don't know what happened to it. SD cards say it's on there, but it won't let me see it. So back out to do another testing. And today was a relaxing day, but I need the video. You know, I also looked at my video as a guideline to help me with testing my car. So I don't got no footage. I don't know what the car's doing. Anyway, let me go ahead and test. I'm probably start off with the blue one. My son's out today. He's probably gonna start off with that one. I was having a little issues with that one yesterday, but hopefully I got it worked out today, so we'll see. Also, I hit Brian. The pinion came off and I couldn't stop the car. I hit Brian and it flipped the car. It almost landed way over there. So, got his first marks. My son on it and get no marks yet. All right, guys.
Red light.
Yeah?
Yeah. Anyone else?
I think I might have finally got that bump off the line to stop.
Yeah.
We'll see.
That was a nice pass. Oh, he took that. I didn't read. Every other car read. Wow. I'm about to take you out down there. Look at that. Oh, nice. That was a nice run. It felt like you let off before, though.
Yeah.
You see what that? That was a hell of a run right there.
I'm not sure. We'll find out today. Just a couple here and there.
What's going on there? What's going on, dog?
Rico.
Hi, Rico. He's a handsome boy.
Don't jump.
He's a handsome boy.
I'm watering ice.
Oh, he got your ass.
Well, I don't know. I think he got. Yeah, and my God.
Did that guy ask your name and it's clearly written in bright yellow on your shirt?
No, he was like, hey,
yeah, you ran a 2.5.
I thought he was like, hey, what's your name?
You ran a 2.5?
Yeah.
We're not. Look at this guy, win the mega bucks or something? Hey, that was good driving, Russ. Oh.
I reached my peak again. Feeling good today with the green one.